working on Wick.
Trying to drill a couple rivets out of this original switch so we can see if we can salvage it instead of using a repo one. And it is definitely a little detailed here. I don't want to completely trash this thing in case I can fix it. Bright metal.
Wick's trying to see why this. Well, it was advertised as NOS, but obviously it was not NOS. It was used. I'm trying to see why it wasn't work. Drilled it out. And here's the contacts. And you said you had power for down, but you didn't have continuity for up, right?
Yeah.
Of course, this is the convertible top switch. Here's the repro, which
You can tell.
looks cheese ball. Yeah.
I'm just from metal casing to plastic half missing casing, and so let's see if we can get this guy to work.
So Wick's on it, chasing electrical.
The side that works, see how you got some space there and that head sticks out?
Yeah,
and this one is absolutely almost flush with this.
Oh, yeah.
That's why it's not making contact. I tried bending this up a little bit, but it's not doing it. Kind of a precise piece of work.
Of 60s engineering.
Mm-hmm.